The time is 8:43 p.m. Pacific time, October 8th, 2025. Not financial advice. Please trade at your own risk. I'm just going to talk about Lucid real quick from a technical aspect. Given how the chart is looking right now, things are starting to play out considerably in the favor to the upside, given as what has happened last month, as we made a new low below 1930, and we made a big steep drop down to around $15 a share. Hope you guys grab some around there and close back above the range. And we have been going sideways for a pretty long time on Lucid, considering all this price action here. And I'm just going to go through the monthly of what I am sort of looking at, and the monthly is used to catch the higher time frame moves, and that's what we're looking for, a higher time frame trend reversal, right? So as of right now, key support is 2180 on the monthly, which we have retested, and we also have support here at around $21, which it did test. If you go to the daily, we need to get into the pre-market of this morning, and it did test it to the dot. So I would consider that a clean test of there. We could come back down there once again, but it has tested, it has got the liquidity it needed and the fuel needed to get the price action moving back up again. And we have been rejecting the price action around this range several times, right? So we know that the liquidity from this range, $30.30 to around $30, thinking of the pre-market prices, but we have rejected those levels several times, and we're hoping that this is the fuel to take us to the next monthly level here at around $40.20, please excuse me. And the main idea right now is just foresee a bounce to come and take us straight to here. We did take out the lows. So when you see price go sideways, right, you have consolidating price action, you take out the lows and you regain the range, which we're doing, regaining the range. We are hoping these lows hold again. And at this point for Lucid, what you really want to see is you don't want to see price to fall back below 21, because at that point, the support is actually not that strong and the downtrend can be continuing lower. And more or less from your current trend of where I'm watching is that you want to see price continue trend from the current candlestick from the low at $15 to where price has made a high to around $25. So if we just hold trend above this pink line here, you can look at it at the daily. We want to just see price continue trend above here, whether because this is our low, right? And whether this could be the high, and then you want this to be the higher low. That would help continue this trend. We can still push back down, but preferably the entry is very valid right here. And I don't think we could come back down to those price ranges. And given why I said that this $21 level is very important, we're 2180. Let me just remove some of this orange right here. It's because this swing here at 2180 was the swing that took you up to that high of this entire range from, let's say, from here to here. That was basically your range. So you are actually wanting to hold that level pretty cleanly. And if you do not hold this level, it's more scary than not for Lucid. And I do want to see price hold there. I'm pretty bullish on it. I have strong conviction. I'm running close to 100,000 shares that I bought within the range here. I picked up here. I picked up some here. I picked up some here. I actually picked up some here. And then I bought more around here. And then I bought more at 17-ish area. And I hope this could be it. I don't want to hope, but I am thinking this is it, because trends do reverse. The company Lucid is making new cars. I have a Lucid myself. There's nothing wrong with the car. I just see a very bright future with this company. If you follow that guy, Lucid City, I like his videos a lot. I check them out every single time. The fundamental aspects for it are also there as well too. And I don't try to look at fundamentals with my analysis, but I think this is good for 40 as for now. above 40, we have price action that can take us all the way here to around 67-ish, right? That's where I would like to see next. So you hold above that swing, above 40, you have a straight shot to around 67. So let's see what happens. I'm bullish on this stock. We made the new low. Let's just get the price going at this point, because we've been trending down on Lucid for maybe around since 2021, just a straight brutal downtrend. Like, we will see some relief. The cars are making more deliveries. The production is coming up as well too. It's a growing company, even though they've been losing money, but it's growing. It's going to have that breakthrough, and when the breakthrough happens, I guess the sky is the limit. So let's see if you entered right now. Let's say you entered right now at 22.52, you get an entry in. You're still looking at around 70-80%. And I think it is very possible it could do something like this by the end of 2025. Hopefully by December. That'd be a nice Christmas gift. If you got anything out of the video, like, subscribe. I don't really post much videos. I haven't posted much lately, but when I see something interesting, I'll post it. And this is what I have for Lucid. So monthly time frame is what I'm looking at for the trend, and I hope my analysis is correct. Alrighty, take care.